You should do another burping video.
Gross. We need refills. Let's go get refills and then we'll do a burping video.
Woo! Okay.
Okay.
Welcome to Banana and Corny Show.
We got our refills, our ramen, and our DJ blend. Okay, now for the first one.
I can't ever burp like you.
Oh, I can't see.
I can't ever burp like a dude. It pisses me off.
The sound just came back up my throat. Oh, what the heck?
Back to... Oh my... It always scares me.
My hair!
We look like models sitting here like... They're like, "Wah!"
Nine.
Mine always come out really quiet, like they're like big, but they're
most of my niggas really still deal cocaine. My roof back, my money ride. I'm on the pedal, with a money line. Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling.
Oh, it was good!
Snitching because he did it. I feed him steroids to strengthen up all my time to spend. Custom spinning wheels. Ain't drove in a week. The bitches spinning steel. Talk about it because he suckers.
Oh, nasty!
Talking about ain't no talk about it.
Corny sucks at burping cause he's wearing pink.
Woo!